What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Before you even do that, make sure you hit a like so that other investors can check this video out and so that my channel, people can see future videos on my channel and or videos that have been posted in the past. That way it could help you guys maybe make a decision. Again, this is for entertainment purposes. I am not a financial advisor. I have a disclaimer in the video, but I would like to discuss this because a lot of you guys asked me if Workhorse is a stock to buy right now. So let's look at it, how it's done against the S&P, some financials and some information, then we'll go from there. So the market just opened today right now. It was $20. It's now down 4.4%. Now it's up. So it's right around $20. So all of a sudden this took a huge jump. So exactly who is Workhorse? Let's see how it's done against the S&P. 5 years, okay, it took a major jump. So right now it's just at 1997. It's going down 5.31%. Let's look at them, compare. Compare them to the S&P real quick. So, sure it's up, but you know, this is you know, it's out since 2015. It took a major jump, so it's hard to tell right now just by looking at that. Let's look at the financials. 2019, it was down 96.77%. It did have some cash on hand. Cost of revenue was 43.83. September 2019 was down. It was down 61.28%. Net change on cash 654.77%. Cost of revenue 3.58%. December, everything's been down so far. Revenue has been down. And then again, it was down again by 76.85%. So it's very hard to say right now. So it has 118 employees. Okay, so they announced they're working on an electronically powered pickup truck called a W15. North Carolina Duke Energy has stated that it will buy 500 of the vehicles, and the city of Orlando is interested. It is scheduled to have 460 horsepower and battery range of 80 miles. A gasoline range extender supplies for the range. So in 2018, they were debuting its Surefly electronic vehicle takeoff and landing octocopter at the 2019 North American International Auto Show. Okay, so they're doing some stuff with the military. That's something important. The military is, they like that. The GM confirmed that it's in talks of potentially selling its Lordstown assembly. At newly constructed Lordstown Motors Corporation, which is a Workhorse group, has 10% stake. I mean, that's interesting. They have pickup food truck. You know, it's traded in the NASDAQ as WKHS. It's publicly traded, which is interesting. I don't think it gives off a dividend, which is another thing to look at. I mean, it's really preliminary. I mean, I myself as a dividend investor, I like stocks that give off dividends. It's been out, it was founded in 1998. So, you know, I'm not really sure. I mean, if you know, let's see what this, Seeking Alpha just said something. Disappointing hedge fund financing deal despite epic rally in the company's shares. I mean, I look at these guys, see what Zach says. I mean, they list them as a buy right now. which is good. I mean, it's just so preliminary. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's a very volatile stock right now. I mean, if you were buying and selling like really fast, sure, but you know, everything's preliminary. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you guys. If it got to probably $30-$35, I'd look at it because that will eventually grow, but it may drop significantly. So if you put in money right now, could be a huge risk. But if you put money in when it was cheap, like $2, and you put in $200, you're making a pretty nice profit right now. So, you know, my honest opinion, at the time, it was a great buy. But, you know, with me being a dividend investor and it being so preliminary and it's been out since 1998, I mean, it's in the top 29% of the industry rank. I'm going to say no. I think it's too risky right now. I mean, it's not as risky as Hertz putting money in. I mean, let's go back to see how they're looking right now. I mean, it's dropping right now. It could go right back down. But, you know, you want to see companies do well. A lot of you guys are invested early in it. You know, I got to power to you guys. I have to give you a ton of credit. You guys made a nice profit. If I put in 200, I mean, it's going down 6.17% as we're looking at it. It could significantly drop again. You know, I mean, it could be just based on emotion, and they went down. So, I'm gonna say no. I'm not gonna put money in it. Me personally, I'm probably not going to. If it's in an exchange traded fund, maybe like QQQ or something like that, great. I mean, because if it goes down, I mean, it's already starting to drop right now. So could drop significantly. I would not be surprised at all. But hey, if you made money on it, great. But it's dropping right now as we see. If I saw it increasing, I'd be happy and maybe consider it once it hit in the 30s. But it's down 6.03%. It looks like it's starting to drop even more. Let's look at it right now. Yeah, I'm gonna say no. It's not my cup of tea. So let me know what you think. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. It's just not my type of stock. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not my thing. I did a little bit of research on it, but you know, seeing that cash flow decrease is not very attractive. So that's my honest opinion. So let me know what you think. And you guys take care and have a good one. And again, make sure you hit that like button.